What are you so excited about? What's that? What are you looking at? What is it? Is it your photo album? Can we see? Who's on the outside? It's Kaylin. Can you open it? Good job. Who's that? Who's that? Yay! Who is it? Who are you looking at? Let's see. It's Grandma and Grandpa and the doggy Gus. Is it doggy Gus? Yes! Where's Gus? Where's Gus, Kaylin? There he is. Who else do you have? Yeah, Uncle Chris and Aunt Lindsay and Hunter and Jack. Oh, you like that picture with Grandma and Grandpa? And Gus the dog? I know your toy's making noise over here. Okay. Alright, let's look at your album. Who are you saying hi to there? Where's Gus? Where's Gus the dog? Woof woof, where is he? There he is, that's right. Who else is in your album? Let's see. Yay, who's that? Uncle Brian, Aunt Melissa, and Riley. And Auntie Chris, and Uncle Eric, and Grandma and Grandpa, and Mommy and Daddy. Who are you looking for? I know what page you're going to. Who's that? Oh. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? That's your favorite page? Oh, in the back is Cousin Riley and Kaylin. Kaylin, where's the doggy? There he is! Doggy! And Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah, what does the doggy say? Woof woof? Yeah, I know. You love Gus the doggy. Uncle Brian. Yeah, that's fun stuff. That's fun stuff. Oh, Uncle Chris. You miss Uncle Chris? Yeah. 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 You love your album. Yep. Yep. And Cousin Riley on the back there. Cousin Riley on the back. You back to that page? Yeah. Hey, Kaylin. Kaylin. What does Gus the doggy say? What does he do? Here's Gus. Woof woof. Huh? Yeah? You were sticking your tongue out yesterday when you saw him. Yeah, you were. Yeah. Aww. Aww. And more pictures. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? You see Daddy? Yeah. There he is. Yep. Yep. Are you all done? What, you want this? Here. Do you put it on? You want to just eat it? Oh! Look. On. Off. You do. Your turn. Good trying. Try again. Good trying. Oh, you're back to your album now? Alright. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Can you say bye-bye? No. Don't feel like doing that today. Okay, bye, Kaylin. Bye-bye. 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 Alright.